But if you just look at that one, it looks like your reflections. Your eyes are closed.
But my eyes are open. Oh my God.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with Nathan and we are in the city. Look at that. Now today we're going to be doing some nighttime photography in the city. So we have a few spots in mind at the moment, so we're going to go around and try and hunt those spots down and see what awesome photos we can capture from that. So we're just on our way to hit the first spot now, which is just a bunch of little shops, and we're hoping that they've got the lights on inside the shop so it will like reflect out, and then we could get some nice lighting coming out of the shop that we could stand in or do like a portrait type shot like that, maybe up against the window or something would be sick. So this is our first spot. We've got a bunch of little shops up and down, and there's this pink light coming out of this shop. If you're up against it like this, look at that. Oh, and the reflection as well. That's mad. Hold up. Let me quickly specify something up against this light. Nathan's taking some of these photos. I'm showing him the ropes of photography basically. And so I'll list which ones he's taken and which ones are my photos. Because right now, we're having a little bit of a problem. What was that one like? What's wrong? It's not as bad.
I mean, not as bad.
No, it's good.
Yeah, no.
Did you do that on purpose?
What?
You were looking into the camera through the reflection.
Yeah.
Was that on purpose?
No.
It wasn't? Because it's horrifying. Moving on. So we found this place that has it's got lights all the way down, and it's got like a really nice varnished brick on the background, which would be pretty sick. Oh, that's nice. Damn. It's a lot better than the first attempt. It's really cool what you can get with just a basic light. Like the most basic of shop lights can just light your photos perfectly. It's mad. Our third spot that we're going to do is, it's on a walkway. It's like a light bridge tunnel type thing with lights that go all around. I'll just show you. And here we are. This place is really cool because it's got these LEDs in the corners all the way down. So it makes for a pretty sick light tunnel. I'm thinking this would make a really cool symmetry shot. Someone's at one end, and then you literally just shoot down it like a tunnel type thing. While we're waiting, because the entire population of Australia has decided to come up this tunnel at one time. This is much harder than I thought it would be. Yeah, to just do night photography in general. It's just it's not that they're bad photos, but it's just the quality, the grain. Okay, the next shot we're gonna try and get is escalator, right? Yeah, because there's always lights on either side of the escalator, and I think it'll look really cool. We didn't manage to find the escalator that we wanted, right? We're settling for this escalator because it's got some nice lights. It's going very slowly, which is cool. There's nobody in sight to mess up our shot. They worked out all right. But if you just look at that one, it looks like your reflections. Your eyes are closed.
But my eyes are open. Oh my God.
In the actual picture, his eyes are open, but in the reflection, it looks like they're closed. That makes no sense.
Okay, well, it's home time.
It's home time. Yep, you are right. All right. Let's go over these photos. Now, onto the first photo that we took, which was the one under the pink light that was coming out of the shop. That turned out way better than I expected it to. Honestly, it looks incredible. The raw image looks alright, but with some editing, So what I've done is I've edited the pink to make it, you know, more hot pink in your face, you know, edgy vibes. As well as I've edited his eyes. I've brought the pink out in his eyes. Oh, it looks so nice reflected on the window, and his reflection in the window as well, looking directly into the camera frame, as well as you get the nice bokeh in the background, nice green orange bokeh behind him. Oh. On to the next photo, which Nathan took of me actually, and it turned out really well. So you've got the raw photo, which looks alright by itself, but with the edited photo, I've brought out the reds in the brick in the background, which it really contrasts with like my skin tone and everything. So it just makes it look a lot more punchy, if you know what I mean. Quickly on to the next group of photos that we took, which were in the light tunnel. These photos were very interesting indeed. Very interesting. So you can see the raw photos, they don't look that good because the white balance was all thrown off and it was just weird. So what I've done is I've took the white balance over to the bluer side, so you get this nice, really clean blue look, as well as I've brought the whites and the highlights up, so it just looks like a nice, clean place. Like it's very sharp. This meditation photo. Oh, it's great. Oh, that's such a great photo. Everyone's just looking at me like, what the? But, you know, that's normal in the city. There were so many people. They just, as soon as we set up our camera and started taking photos, it was just stampedes. Moving on to the last photos, which are honestly horrifying. So, the best photo I could grab of the escalator photos was this one. Nathan sitting down. It's very blue. The grain is striking again, ruining the quality of the photo because it was so dark and we didn't have any like exterior lights or any lighting at all other than what we could find in the city, which was at this point the escalator lights on the side. So that's all the light we had. So it turned out okay, but the thing that creeped us out, this photo, if you look at this, Nathan's just sitting at the top of the escalator. I've brought the exposure up so you can see it a little better, and if we zoom into Nathan's reflection real quick, I might be mistaken, but his eyes are closed in the reflection. I'm not sure if it's to do with that line that's sort of cutting him off and sort of messing with his reflection, but his eyes are definitely closed in that reflection, and they are definitely open in the actual image. So I don't know what kind of demonic sorcery crap is going on here. Now, that is all the photos from our nighttime photo shoot. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed already and you enjoy filmmaking, photography, being creative, just come on this journey with me. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below and drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. And as always, I'll see you next week. Peace.